My mom died when I was 1. My father left when I was young.
I have been affected by the lack of a father figure in my home.
Once I was in prison and I violated the law, and I learned a valuable lesson because I started thinking about my family and my kids and people that I left in the street.
I don't even know. I done been to every jail you can name, YSC, Oak Hill. I done been to all them places.
There's no limit to where we can go. We have models that were started 20 years ago that are being compounded right now in the Greenway community. That's what violence interruption looks like. No, we're at a quality of life model. We want our businesses to flourish. We want our kids on scooters and bikes. We are aiming to have a violence-free zone. We're using the approach that our ancestors did long ago, the cultural approach, the village approach.
You can be awesome out here too. You don't have to be in the streets. Streets call out kids from the time they're like 8 to 7 years old. And we're doing our best to make sure that doesn't continue to happen.
So when it talks about where ACM is going, we're going to comprehension. We are going to touch the stars. We're not going to stop.
I started taking a liking to it, not doing the wrong thing, actually doing the right thing instead of going out there hurting other people and things like that.
I wouldn't even be right here if it wasn't for the Alliance.
The Alliance is the greatest organization on earth, and I say that because they saved my life.
When I was down, they picked me up and supported me all kinds of ways.
The Alliance needs your help to remain sustainable, to do the work that is so important, not just for the district, for the nation, and for the world.